Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the zero-based budget template, which can be purchased on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. With this powerful template, you'll budget with purpose. Every dollar has a job, and your financial goals become clearer than ever. Before you begin, take a moment to review the instructions on the first page. They'll help you understand how the template works. First, you'll learn how to set up your main categories and allocate your budget. Next, I'll show you how to enter your current transactions. Finally, we'll explore the payment calendar and how to make the most of it. This part also covers filling out the task table. To begin filling in the data, you need to specify the year, month, and select the main currency. To start entering your basic data, begin by defining the main categories in the income, bills, expenses, investment, debt, and savings sections. Let's enter examples of income categories. And enter the budget amount. Actual data and leftovers are calculated automatically, and the currency symbol is added automatically. Enter examples of bills categories. Enter the budget amount. And enter the payment dates. This data is updated automatically. Enter the categories for the expense table. Enter the budget amount. Next, enter the categories for the investment table. Enter the budget amount. Enter categories for the debt table. Enter the budget. And enter the payment dates. Enter categories for the savings table. Enter the budget. The template is originally in English, but if you'd like to switch the tables to another language, our TranslateHub tool makes it fast, accurate, and incredibly easy. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get back to the template. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. As you can see, the formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. After setting up your categories and budget, the next step is to go to the transactions table. This is where you'll input your actual financial data. In this table, you'll need to complete all the columns except for the amount column, which is calculated automatically. Let's enter some transaction examples. The category dropdowns are generated automatically based on the data from the monthly budget sheet. You can also enter transactions in different currencies. They'll be converted to your base currency automatically using the current exchange rate. Now let's take a look at the tables and charts that help you analyze your budget. The cash flow overview chart helps you compare your planned and actual data. The spending tracker chart helps you understand how your budget is allocated by percentage, making it easier to stay on track and reach a zero-based budget. The left to spend indicator shows you the overall percentage of your remaining budget. The income distribution chart can be used to analyze budget distributions. The following charts show how each category is divided, supporting you in understanding their proportions and better manage your budget. Please keep in mind that only transactions within the selected period are taken into account. If you had a transaction for another month, it will not be included in the analysis. Also, to avoid formula issues, please create a new Google spreadsheet for budgeting a different period instead of duplicating the monthly budget sheet. Let's move on to the calendar sheet. To ensure the data displays correctly, make sure to select the same month as on the monthly budget sheet. The information here updates automatically, drawing from the monthly budget sheet. Payment dates are sourced from the bills and debts table. Completed payments will be indicated with a check mark. This sheet also includes a task table. Here, you can list the tasks for the current month and set their completion dates. As you mark tasks as completed, the progress chart will update automatically. If you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try filling in your own budget to experience how straightforward managing your finances can be. The template is available for download through the link in the description below. For customized solutions, our team can design tailored spreadsheets to meet any complexity requirements. We also offer templates with resale rights and an open affiliate program for those who want to get involved. Thanks for watching and have a great day.